plenty of volunteers. In fact, I was not able to include the name of each and everybody. Few students are there left. I think this is more than sufficient. In fact, if all of them really work hard and really work as a team, then I don't see any reason that we'll need more people, right?
Okay, sir.
So,
Okay.
in fact, we can do one thing. We'll take one separate meeting because we need their support as well. It's not that सिर्फ first year वाले आगे तो अपना काम हो जाएगा. We need the entire PDMTRs, right? All these students, including the support of faculty members. Aditi madam, she's not able to join today. Maybe early next session she will be joining because she's not well, it seems. So anyway, we'll go ahead with our session. Before I start, I'd like to share something, right, which I have already shared with all of you on the group, right? So just a moment. Just a moment.
Yes.
I hope all of you must have seen the PPT, the posters, you can call it, flyers also we can call it, which I have circulated on the WhatsApp group. Let me again take you to those slides so that I can narrate you the exact purpose, the objective behind keeping this particular event, and then what will be our pedagogy, how exactly we are going to go about it, what will be our objective. So just page 3. First of all, the name of the event, right? Somebody has rightly pointed out last time I had a meeting. Eureka, it's a Greek word, right? And the meaning, all of you know. What is the meaning? Meaning of Eureka? Yes, anybody from the audience? See, it is given here. I have found it, right? Something which is a discovery or something which is an invention, right? And why have we given this particular word? Because this is all about startups, new ventures, where we are going to invite the participant who will be putting up various business case studies. I'll be going through the Google form also. Hemant, I am audible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. So this is the competition we are going to keep on 4th and 5th of February. These are the tentative dates. Hopefully, I think we'll be able to deliver whatever we are planning on these particular dates. All that what we need first is the participant, right? एक एक करके मैं जाऊँगा, आपको बताऊँ. See, this is the PDF I have prepared. If the person or if the participant click here, it will directly take the participant to this Google form, right? I'll directly go to the Google form. Now this is what is the event all about. Eureka stands for something new, so a new discovery or new invention. It can be anything. Eureka is a word, is a Greek word which was first used by Archimedes. Archimedes principle आपको शायद पता होगा. It's a displacement of water. Whatever goes inside the amount of what you call it, mass occupies the water, that much water is displaced. We won't be going into the physics of it, but Eureka means something which is new, right? Something which is discovered, something which is invented. तो इसमें ये competition में क्या रहने वाला? What exactly will go is this is what we need. We need a team, or it can be individual also, right? This team the team needs to register and submit their idea. This is the first step that is needed. Here we are not going to charge anything for registration. बाद में अपन decide करेंगे based on the response how much to charge or whether to keep it entirely free. It depends on the sponsorship also. So what are they supposed to register and how are they supposed to register? By problem, they have to identify a problem first of all, right? I'll be going to the 4 case studies, then propose a solution for the products and service, SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunity, threat. This is very simple analysis which they are supposed to do. Competitors analysis which can be part of SWOT analysis, like threats में वो डाल सकते हैं, market analysis, how good is the market for that particular product or for that particular industry or for that particular services, right? Who will be their potential customers or who are the potential customers, their profile, financials 3 साल के क्या रहा in case if the business is running right now, right? Customer base which can be part of potential customers, and the team profile. Team, I mean to say the team who's going to participate. So these are the posters and these are the team members. See this many name I have received on my WhatsApp from the first year. Few names has to be included, they are left out, those who have given it late, but most of the names are included. I think hardly 12 names are to be included, and that will take the tally to almost 100. So more than 100 students have registered as a volunteer as the organizing committee member, right? तो अगर मैं as a audience join करना चाहता हूँ, you can join as a audience also, where you will just put your name and you will skip others name, right? It is not needed. But if somebody is joining as a team where maximum 3 participants are allowed, right? Here we have mentioned somewhere that only 3 participants are allowed, maximum 3 participants per team, right? They'll put their email address, only first person email address we want, so that we can correspond with that. By default he'll be the leader of that team, right? Or he'll be the person who is going to lead the team. Then organization name, I'm to say college से है या तो फिर we are going to include professional also. If somebody from digital marketing, digital industry, or somebody from any other industry would like to contribute their ideas, they can also enroll, right? They can also register. Then we'll need a mobile and WhatsApp number, right? So as to communicate directly with them. It's a very small and simple form. Here category जैसे working professional है, school student भी अपन target करने वाले हैं. It is not that we are going to target only MBAs. It's going to be student from 11, 12, even schools like 10th standard, 8th standard. It can see age is not a bar, right? The person can be 5 years or 6 year old also, provided he or she is having the knowledge of what exactly is startups and how to present this. See, ultimately what will be the competition will be all about is the presentation of this case studies, right? See, indirectly this is going to be more of a case study where the participant can choose this first category, where if you are not following, in between you can interrupt me, right? You can ask few questions अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो, right? Or you can note it down, at the end you can take up those questions. So success case study you can take, for example, Amazon in e-commerce. It can be Big Basket when it comes to FMCG product delivery, one day delivery, right? It can be what? It can be for example the poha wala, right? The poha wala which is famous, who sells poha near Kasturchan Park. So it can be a small case study, it can be local case study, but here the category will be the reason for success, how that particular startup started and what was the reason for its success. You can pick up anything, a local thing will also do, which is already established, right? Failure case study आप reason out कर सकते हैं why such and such thing has failed. So here there are plenty of failure case studies. You can just Google it out, startup failures, right? Plenty of things, startups. See, there are so many startups coming up every day. Not all of them succeed. The ideas are good, everything good, but they go in a failure mode. So you have to find out a reason, what exactly led to their failure. For example, let me give you an example of Kotak, right? Kotak earlier they were into what? Camera rolls and camera, right? But because of their lacking in adopting the new technology, they are nowhere. They are not a brand name now. They are not known. You can take a failure case study of Adidas compared to Nike, for example, right? See, this has to be realistic. This cannot be fictitious, right? Third category, new proposal for startup can be fictitious, which you can make up कि ऐसा एक idea है या ऐसी service है या ऐसा product है which requires so much of investment, which requires so much of what you can call it, operations, logistic, whatever is needed for that particular product to get new customers. So this can be altogether a new startup, third category. And you can identify issues or problems in the existing business. It can be old business, it can be startup, where you find there are certain limitations, loopholes, like cab, because I frequently use Ola cab. I find it a problem that driver often they would like to they cancel the trip when the trip is very short, or they'll give a call and find out how long you would like to travel, right? Or if you are not paying them back cash, they would like to cancel. This is one of the issue being faced by most of the cab companies, right? So how to overcome this? This is just a small example. The issues and problem can be anything, and we want the solution from the participant, right? Or else the participant, like few of you have already registered, more than 30-35 students have registered from our college as an audience. 3 or 4 students have registered in this category, 4 category, right? I'll be going to that also, which is there with me. The record is there, and here they are supposed to submit. Initial register कैसा करेगी कि they can immediately register. File can be submitted later on also. This is not a mandatory field, where they'll put their PPT, right? वो present करेंगे कि what exactly is the idea, what is the problem, what are the operations involved, right? It can be in terms of financial operation, marketing, all areas. How you are going to recruit people, how you are going to create your team for that startup, and here they will submit it. The time limit we have given is 25th of Jan. List of shortlisted candidate we are going to declare on 25th of Jan. We are going to keep it open for a week's time. Let us find if needed we can extend it further, but let us focus till 20th. If we get at least 100 registration participant, even if we get 20 good genuine participant and audience, if we get more than 100, then we can count it as a success, right? This is what we want. And all the organizing committee members which I have mentioned here will be getting certificate of their participation, their contribution in this success of this event. And the participants who are going to participate as an audience will also be getting certificate, whereas the participant who are going to work on this 4 theme are going to get separate certificate, and the winner we are going to declare first, second, third winner from all these 4 category. There won't be 3 winners from one, all taken together we are going to declare 3 winners. Right now the prize amount is not very big, but we can take it further through sponsorship, right? Because I am in talk with few companies. Today morning itself I have talked. Similar help, similar assistance we want from all of you people in terms of sponsorship. You can talk to people you know, new startups which are there. Or early morning I had a talk with one Ayurvedic company. They want a small market survey for their new product. तो अपन यहाँ क्या करने वाले, जो participants है, they'll be allotted a mentor who is going to be a faculty along with the student leader. तो एक student coordinator दिया जाएगा, and they are going to direct them for such type of activity. If some company is going to sponsor us for finding out for the problem which they are facing, giving a solution to them, that can be worked out. Here one of the today morning only I started with sponsorship, and I think we'll be through by tomorrow. कुछ ना कुछ मिलेगी sponsorship. तो जो भी sponsorship मिलेगी, we'll be adding it to our prize amount. Last year I did it on digital marketing, and the first prize was 11,000. We started with 3,000 only, all taken together. I took it to 21,000 because of the sponsorship. Few of the amount even we got it from this registration, but let us see if we keep it free, or we can keep a nominal amount of 50 or 100 rupees for a team. That would be ideal. So that whatever money that comes in, we'll add it to our prize money, right? So first prize right now is 1,500, second is 1,000, and third is 500, which should definitely go up. It may go to 11,000 also. It may go above also, or it may be somewhere around this amount only. That entirely depends on how we target these companies, for which we have to form various committees. Promotional committee will be different. Those who will bring registration. Then sponsorship committee will be different. One committee will need for desk, e-help desk जैसा we'll need to prepare certificates, then keep a track on registration, to do the follow up. कुछ queries है, कुछ doubts है, तो इसके लिए अपने को अलग से ऐसे 4 teams लगने वाले हैं अपने. We can split the students who have enrolled as a volunteer. Based on your interest, we'll be forming again 4 separate group for all these 4 types of different things. So am I clear up till now? ध्यान में आ रहा है आप लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any issue in this?
सर वो पीपीटी कैसे बनाना है?
PPT? PPT देखो, I'll tell you, if you're going to participate as a participant, not as an audience, then whatever in these four category as I mentioned, first is the success story. See, इसके लिए बहुत सारे अच्छे channels भी है. मैं अभी एक आपको channel दिखाता हूँ. It is Think School. Just a minute. I'll just take you to that channel. There are plenty of readily available case studies, and that particular speaker or person, he has done really good work and his presentation is excellent. We want something like that, which I think is not practically possible for a newcomer, for a starter, but yeah, here it is. Just a minute. You can subscribe to this channel also. It's wonderful because plenty of good case studies has been presented here. I'll just share the link. Just a minute. I'll first of all share it to you also. We want something like this. See, this is from where I got the idea also. In fact, it was there with me, but this will give you a clear picture. In fact, you can share it to the audience also. See, this is the channel Think School, and these are, see, Asian Paint. It's a wonderful case study being prepared. I'll just try to run it for you people for minutes time, so that you get an idea what exactly I want, right? So these are all success and failure stories. Something related to jockey, something, plenty of case studies are there, right? So let me play this for you. Can you see the screen?
Hi everybody, Asian Paints is one of the greatest companies in the history of India.
Is it audible?
And the most astounding thing about this company is that it is the only company to have grown at a CAGR of 20% since the past 6 years, generated a revenue of 22,044 crores. Similarly, Berger generated a profit of 719 crores, Nerolac stands at 529 crores, their combined profit is 12,049 crores, but Asian Paints alone generated a profit of 3,139 crores. The question is, how did Asian Paints become such a dominating force in the paint industry? What exactly is their secret sauce that enabled them to be a market leader for 54 years? And most importantly, what are the business lessons that we need to learn from the greatest paint company India has ever seen? Before we dive into this lengthy case study, I want to quickly thank our sponsor Skillshare for support.
See, this is all about the channel. You can go through. In fact, as an MBA, you should be watching this type of videos. And it's an excellent presentation. It's in graphic form, which I do not know how many of the participants will be able to do it. But even if they present it in the PPT, will do, right? This type of graphics, it needs a lot of professionals to be involved. So, but this was just to give you an idea of how exactly I want it. See, there are plenty of case studies on Amul butter. You know what is the secret behind their success, right? What are the formulas they have adopted? So all this thing, they can count it in success case studies, whereas failure case studies they can pick up. Few failure case studies are also there, right? Plenty of startups. You just Google it out, because failures we usually do not remember, success we remember. तो failures के भी काफ़ी सारे startups हैं जो लगता था कि बहुत अच्छा कर पाएंगे, but slowly and steadily they died out, right? Because of few mistakes. So somebody can discuss failures case study and what should have been done to avoid those failures, right? Third category, as I said, altogether a new startup, and fourth category, as I said, you can find out the problems in the existing business and what exactly solutions you can propose, right? But it has to be done in PPT. If somebody is able to do in the way that Think School is doing, it is going to be very wonderful, because certain points will be going when we're going to evaluate all this presentation. The presentation will definitely carry a lot of weightage. Apart from your verbal communication and all those things, the visuals or the graphics that will be used by the presenter will be given due consideration. Apart from the theme they are going to choose. Something you can copy from Think School also. There are plenty of readily available case studies. All that is needed is you have to put it in your own words, in your own way, in your own language, right? That is going to be the art and science. Everything is available on net, we all know it. But presenting yourself, presenting in your own word is going to be the story behind this competition, right? आप कैसे evaluate करते हैं? You can put your own thoughts also, your own ideas, and accordingly you can present. It will be for 2 days, depend on the participant, we can extend it to 3 days also. कितने लोग आते हैं, क्योंकि हर पार्टिसिपेंट को एटलीस्ट अपने को 15 से 20 मिनट देना पड़ेगा. एंड द मोड विल बी ऑनलाइन, इट्स गोइंग टू बी एंटायरली ऑनलाइन. वी कैन थिंक अबाउट ऑफलाइन इफ द सिचुएशन परमिट्स on 4th and 5th of February, or we can go for hybrid mode also. Few participants from our college or from Nagpur, they can come to our college and present it in front of the judges, and judges are going to be home. They are going to be mentors who are going to lead these teams. Few faculties we are going to allot, few people from the industry, new startups, angel investors. We are trying to find out if we can find certain angel investors for the new startups proposal that comes out. देखेंगे अपन अपनी तरफ से कोशिश करेंगे कि if they can get certain investment, if somebody shows interest, right? Some investor can offer a place to start that thing, some can offer funds, right? Some can offer their expertise. चलो ठीक है, आप इतना कर रहे हो तो I do have this legal background with me, I'll help you out in the legal term. The sponsorship can be anything for those startups, and what we want a sponsorship. See, पहला प्राइज जो भी रहेगा, the one who pays us more will be called as first sponsor. Second and third prize will be usually, last year we had 1,000 के अपने 5 prizes रखे थे. Second prize was 7,000 and first was 11,000. So all taken together, it was almost 21,000, right? So जो जैसा sponsorship मिलेंगी वैसे अपन we want to promote their brand है. ये जैसा मैंने जो PPT बनाया है, उसमें one of the PPT, one of the flyer will be entirely committed to the sponsor, and we are going to invite the sponsor as a chief guest for the inaugural, and we can invite them as a chief guest for the prize distribution, which may be online, which we can go offline also, or in a hybrid mode. That we can decide when the event is going to be when the event is going to take place, right? So we have time for that. But we have to hurry up. First thing what we need is we want to segregate all of you in the team who is going to promote this event. See, all of you will be doing it. Will not be a separate team for that. Sponsorship के लिए one who are really good in communication, the person who really have good contact, particularly in Nagpur, particularly in corporates, will need such type of people. Faculty, we are going to work separately. Whatever resources we are having, I am going to use it. Dr. Babulkar will be using his own resources. जो भी sponsorship आती है, 1,000 रुपए, 2,000 रुपए, we can put the name. But accordingly, we will put the greater the amount, the larger visibility of their brand, their logo, their punchline, their introduction. Because see, this PPT or this PDF will be going to how many? We are targeting more than 5,000 people. It's a very small number in this social digital marketing, right? In this digital marketing era, all you have to do is circulate it on WhatsApp, put it on your Facebook pages, right? You can add over there. And I want some students who are good in making video, who can prepare a video presentation on this particular event, जो अपन circulate कर सकते, like it will be something like you are talking to the audience, right? We can do it as faculty, but I want student to get involved. You can form a team and you can just make a video. Eureka, right? Eureka at 2022 is the event being hosted by Dr. Panjab Deshmukh, Panjab Deshmukh Institute of Management Technology in Nagpur. The event is going to be held on 4th and 5th of February 2020, and this is who it is meant for. It is meant for everybody. Everybody can participate, and you can participate in this 4 categories. This is what I want you to brief out on a video. So that it is called as bite also. 1 minute, 2 minute का video रहेगा, so that we can circulate it as marketing, right? That can go to along with our registration link. So this will act as a good platform to market it. You can promote it to your friends from other colleges. You can promote it to pan India. Why only pan across? See, because it's online mode, so anybody from any location on this globe can participate. There is no restriction on a person from Jammu and Kashmir, person from Ethiopia. Last time for digital marketing we had a person from Sweden. 2 participants were there from Sweden. So there is no restriction on the age, on the location, right? On the demographic, on the geography. So is the thing clear? कुछ है क्या doubts है इसमें? Anybody?
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, please go ahead.
So what you said is that we have to upload the PPT on Google Forum. Then on
Yes.
the basis of that PPT, you will select certain students,
Yeah.
and those students will be allowed to present the presentation on 4th and 5th February.
Exactly.
Is this correct?
Exactly. Yeah. See, most of the time we are going to allow everybody. We'll see. We are going to give chance those who have an idea, those who will upload. It will be only when if we get excessive participation, which I doubt because it requires a lot of homework, which requires a lot of research also. कोई ऐसा नहीं कि उठे और बना दिया PPT. It's not that easy because if they really want to win the competition, they have to be there has to be minute detailing of each and everything. जो मैंने 8-9 points दिए start में, it is there on the Google form. All this thing will be needed. But if somebody shows interest in the register, probably we are going to accommodate each and everybody और सबको चांस देंगे. अगर हो सकता है जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि 100 के ऊपर चले गए, which is practically impossible to do it in even in 4 or 5 days. We cannot extend our activity that long also because that ultimately does what? Interest निकल जाता है. 1-2 दिन ठीक रहता है, बाकी फिर लोग audience नहीं मिलती है. And it is not required also to run an event for 4 or 5 days and that too only with presentation. If we get more than 50 for example, so we have to curtail it to somewhere what? 10 participants. The best 10 we are going to allow. 5 एक दिन, 5 दूसरे दिन. 5 लोगों को भी आपने आधा घंटा दिया, 15 मिनट भी दिए, तो activity will go for at least 2 to 3 hours per day, which is again a very long time, right? Long duration for any activity. We need breaks also in that. Judges be accordingly we have to arrange for that because they have to sit for the entire thing. So somewhere we'll have a parameter where we can shortlist few. We can stick to 5 also, right? That can और या फिर 4 तारीख को अपन just elimination रख सकते हैं. We can ask them to just talk for 2 minutes time and detailed presentation after shortlisting 5 or maybe 10 we can have on 5th. So the itinerary or the pedagogy or the schedule can be changed accordingly. It depends on the number of participations that are we going to get, right? Audience से मिल जाएंगे काफी. Audience के लिए we are going to keep it free. Only for participants also let us see if we get sponsorship then there is no question of charging even 50 rupees for that matter or 100 rupees. But उतना charge भी किया तो लोग भरते हैं. This is my experience. It's almost 20. I have done more than 21 activities, such type of activity, right at the time when COVID started in 2021, January, March, right? So, not 2020 rather, right? तो 2 साल में तो कम से कम 21 एक्टिविटीज इस टाइप के ऑनलाइन ही कर चुका है अपन. कॉलेज के साथ है कुछ, I have done it for my journal, which is IJ Camp. But all were wonderful, all were success. We got plenty of registration along with the registration fees also. It's not that it's difficult. I got sponsorship from LIC. I did one on investment opportunities. I got sponsorship of 30,000 from LIC, from one of the mutual fund in agency or company in Nagpur. So you can get sponsorship also. It is how you convince the person and whether he or she is in need of it. Because this is a good platform where they are readily getting so many students. If the organization is something like if they are into teaching digital marketing, and then they might find it comfortable sponsoring this activity because they know they can readily reach out to the all MBA colleges because our focus will be on everybody, but primary focus will obviously go to MBA because we know MBA student very well. You must be having few linkages in other colleges. I know all the faculty members across Vidarbha, even I know faculty member in Pune and Mumbai where we can target because last time we had a wonderful audience from Mumbai also, right? So really this company organization can sponsor because they know they are reaching out to the target audience if their product and services is related to MBAs, right? It can be like online teaching to them of digital marketing, for example. It can be a product which students are like, for example, sports shoes, right? For example, mobile phones which the youngsters are using. So it is how you try to convince them, and it's not very difficult. आप 10 लोगों को try करोगे तो एक बंदा तो agree कर ही लेगा. बहुत ज़्यादा अपन we are not asking 50,000 or 1 lakh rupees. They can give a sponsorship of 5,000, 10,000, or maybe they can sponsor 1,000 price of 3 per person or 2 person or even 1 person for that matter. The lowest amount will be 1,000 and highest there is no limit, as you know, right? तो जितने अपने 1,000 के आएंगे तो उतने अपन समझ लो 20 पार्टिसिपेंट आते हैं, तो उसमें के पहले तो अच्छी प्राइस देंगे, बाकी सब कुछ जहाँ तक 1,000 रुपये दे सकते हैं अपन, या वी कैन इंक्रीज द प्राइस अमाउंट एंड गिव 2,000 to the best of 5 if there are 20 participants. If there are 50 participants, we can give prize to 10 of them. So that is as an organizing committee member or as an organizer, that is in our hand. All that we need is registration and few sponsorship, and it is not at all difficult. We have already done it. It's not that we are doing it for first time. All that we need is your support. You should know the activity very well thoroughly. कि दो लोग बता रहे हैं दो अलग जगह पे, तो दोनों के नरेशंस, दोनों की कमेंट्री एक जैसी होनी चाहिए. इट शुड नॉट बी डिफरेंट. ऑल ऑफ यू फॉलोइंग व्हाट आई से? ध्यान में आ रहे थे? डॉक्टर बाबुलकर, यू लाइक टू ऐड समथिंग? और कुछ किया जा सकता है?
Sir, I think what we plan that is sufficient to deal with this kind of the activity. So in first phase we will go for the sponsorship, and once we will get clear about the sponsorship amount, then we can start our promotions in the respective schools and colleges.
Exactly. See,
So friends, we are having very short times. I think in next 2-3 days, if you are having some kind of the link with the sponsorship, so please don't hesitate to share with us. So finally we can deal with them in a concluding mode. I think, sir, in this way, the right way we are going with this one.
Exactly. See what as sir has rightly said, कोई भी lead मिलती है ना, if you feel that you are not comfortable closing the deal, इसको से marketing term है, right? Closing the sales, right? Closing the sales. So you can just pass on the concerned person. You can give their mobile phone. You can give it to Babulkar sir or me. We can directly talk to them in professional way. तो दो चीज करनी है, एक तो स्पॉन्सर इंडिविजुअली सब लोग ढूंढो, कोई टीम बनाएंगे या कोई जरूरत नहीं है. ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ यू कैन सर्च फॉर इट and see that is going to be science and art as well. It is learning marketing, right? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा, कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, बट आपको कोशिश करनी है कि just try to find out. It can be a small issue. A kirana shop wala facing something like, see, WhatsApp nowadays is offering online platform for selling. Even I have not used it, but it is there handy. We can use such type of solution. You can come out with a startup which will give solution to this small kirana wala. It is one of the example, right? It can be anything, right? But you can target this type of people. कि sir आपका हम branding करेंगे. You can talk in this language that we are going to promote you across Nagpur, across pan India. If the product is going across India, accordingly you can talk, right? तो if primarily we can focus on tuition classes also. बहुत सारे उनके बाद काफी पैसा रहता है. जैसे Byju's है, for example, Akash is there. You can always say that we are focusing all school children, particularly 10th. The people are more, distribution walas are more interested in 10th and 12th. We all know it, right? Especially this online classes, EduTech companies. This can also be targeted. Anything and everything related to youth can be targeted, including these retail shops, apparel retail shops जो होते हैं, clothing से जो होते हैं. It's entirely up to you, to whom you want to convince. There is no restriction. We can, one who is sponsored legitimate goods and services, we want to put them as a sponsor. And the list can be lengthy. It can be of 10 sponsors, it can be 20 also. We don't have restriction on that. All we need is the bigger the amount, the bigger participation will come, because the prize amount will go. Now, first question people will be asking, what is the prize amount? So you have to say definitely there is going to be prize amount. Right now you don't have to pay. It will be disclosed based on the sponsorship. Something will definitely come to you apart from certificate. Some amount which probably we are not going to disclose right now, but it's going to be there. And you have to convince them that prize amount should not be a concern. Winning or losing, right? If you win the competition, that achievement is bigger than getting 1,000 or 5,000 or 10,000, right? Prize amount is fine, definitely important, since most of I would say student community, they are not earning anything, right? तो एक amount मिल जाती है तो it gives a different feeling. I know that, but it depends on sponsorship. अपन कितनी लाते हैं, वो जितनी भी आएगी अपन जोड़ते जाएंगे. The amount may go to 50,000 also. I doesn't mind. Neither the college is going to stop us. College has given us certain seed amount or prize money of 3,000, and we are here as a team. We are a big resource, right? So we can target lot many organization. It can be automobile company like Ola, for example. Ola scooters जो आए हैं, we can say that we are going to put you as main sponsor. We are going to brand you. We are going to promote you on our channel also. Right? Few videos can be made separately for them. ये भी आप उनको ऑफर कर सकते हैं कि आपसे रिलेटेड दैट यू आर द मेन स्पॉन्सर, एक सेपरेट वीडियो बनाया जाएगा, एक सेपरेट आप उनके लिए लीफलेट भी बना सकते हैं जो ग्रोसरी स्टोर हो. It will be entirely dedicated to them, which will be circulated parallelly across. तो अपना ऑडियंस बहुत वास्ट है, अपना टारगेट जो होता है ना, टारगेट मार्केट और टारगेट ऑडियंस इज वेरी वेरी वास्ट. इट इज प्रैक्टिकली इम्पॉसिबल टू रीच आउट टू ईच एंड एवरीबडी. But if you work as a team, if you really are serious and honest, then I don't see any reason that this activity should not be a success. Because this, as I said, we have sufficient experience in this, and we have done it so much good. In fact, I'll be sharing few videos also. जो activities मैंने किए हैं, just in recorded form, is there on the channel which you have subscribed. Most of you have subscribed. Is there investment opportunity where I got 30,000 as sponsorship. बाकी इसमें registration मिली, sponsorship में मिली, तो we charge 1,000 rupees as registration, and which I do not know, in COVID also people paid that much. It was more of academic workshops, not a competition. So there also we got plenty of registration. People paid. Even we had run a guidance class for NetSet. It was not a competition, it was a class. But there also student enrolled with 12,000 online for online platform. And those was meant for resource person. Whatever amount was collected was equally distributed amongst the resource person. Right? किसी को 2,500, किसी को 3,000 as honorarium we paid it. But this is something similar to that. And getting sponsorship, see, everybody is looking out for a good platform where their product will be promoted. It is as simple as that. उतना ही difficult है किससे पैसे निकालना इतना आसान है. I know that because you have to convince that we are such a large team, we are a good brand, right? We are professional, and we have done it earlier, and we are going to reach out to so many people.
Sir,
Yes.
those students want to become a part of our volunteer. अपन उनके लिए एक अलग ग्रुप बन के अपन उनको ज्यादा शेयर कर सकते हैं instead of going to share in a common group.
Right, that can be done.
Very specifically.
Right. Next, Hemant, what I'll do, see, most of them are there with my MIS, right? I'll add you that to that because ज़्यादा group किए से भी वापस confusion हो जाता है. उसमें ज़्यादा मैं डालता नहीं कुछ. I only post the link of the Google Meeting classes. That's all. So that can be used readily because they are already there. Those who are volunteers, they have sent me the message on that group only. What I'll do, I'll add you there, right?
Okay.
So that will act as a platform for this activity, apart from the classes. Right?
So there is a few more students of the second year. They would also like to join with us
Yes,
for
definitely.
this event.
Are they here right now? Anybody from second?
Yes, sir. More than 10-15 students are here.
Yes, yes. See, always see, the more the helping hands, the more the larger our team, see, the bigger the better. Simple. जैसे टेलीविजन बोलते हैं जितना बड़ा रहेगा उतना अच्छा लगता है. स्क्रीन जितनी फ्लैट रहेगी और जितनी इंच ज़्यादा रहेगी, it looks good. It is not always true, but when it comes to teamwork, the bigger our team, the better we are, right? So that we can बहुत ज़्यादा burning नहीं होगा किसी को. थोड़ा थोड़ा ही काम करना है. आप 100 लोगों में से 10 लोग भी स्पॉन्सरशिप लेके आते हैं तो अपना काम बन जाता है. And our objective is to increase the prize amount. That is all. कुछ पैसा बच जाता है in case, तो we can celebrate at the end success. We can have lunch at our college or something else can be done with that amount. And that will be open to all of you. Don't worry. Whatever comes there, हिसाब किताब सब clear रहने वाला है. There 3,000 is clear right now. We are having 3,000. जरूरत पड़ी तो मैं I can share few. I can sponsor also. वक्त पड़ा तो. But ideally speaking, we should get because somebody should benefit out of all this activity. Maybe in terms of research, right? जैसे एक आज सुबह मुझे proposal आया कि they want market research to be done, which can be made as a what? A proposal, new proposal, business proposal. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Any more suggestion? Any more ideas to make it even further better? Yes, students, anything you'd like to contribute? Have you idea that shall we end? No, first thing you have to do today, immediately start circulating those links. फिलहाल brochure को circulate कीजिए. Brochure इसलिए नहीं करना है कि that is almost done, but few changes may take place. जैसे sponsor है ये, तो फिलहाल तो you just send the registration link so that people come to know that such and such activity is being is taking place, which I have already done. I have done with Kamla Nehru College, I have done with Nabira Katol, and I've done with a few other colleges also. But you can use your personal contact for what? For both, for promotion as well as for sponsorship. बाकी जो है आइटनरी जो है बाकी इंट्रिकेसीज जो है रिगार्डिंग एक्चुअल कंडक्ट ऑफ दैट फंक्शन कैन बी वर्कड ऑन लेटर. उसको समय है अपने पास. Somebody has to host it, right? Somebody has to compare. Somebody has to introduce the chief guest or person who will invite judges who आपको ये करना. That can be worked on later. Right now, what two things we need is participants so that we can talk to the sponsor कि अभी हमारे पास 100 पार्टिसिपेंट आ गए एक दिन में. जैसे 50 100 आई गए अपने क्लास से, right? As an audience, we are there more than 150 right now as an audience, right? So what we want is actual registration in those 4 categories. I hope all of you following me. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So what are you going to do today? आज क्या करने वाले? Immediately once the meeting is over, start circulating those Google form link, right? I am going to share this on the. I have already shared it on our WhatsApp group.
Is it already shared on group?
Oh yeah, it's already there, right?
Okay.
Fine. So इसको अभी प्रमोट करना चालू करो और ये देखो स्पॉन्सर एक के पीछे लोगो, एक को भी आप टारगेट किए या टारगेट 2-3 उसमें से एक तो भी क्लिक हो जाएगा आपका, राइट? एंड कन्विंस देम द वे आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि हाउ दिस इज गोइंग टू बी ऑफ हेल्प टू देम. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज देयर प्रोडक्ट एंड हाउ कैन वी मैच देयर रिक्वायरमेंट इन टर्म्स ऑफ टारगेट ऑडियंस. हाउ कैन वी मेक देम अवेलेबल द टारगेट ऑडियंस फॉर दैट प्रोडक्ट. दैट इज व्हाट एनी स्पॉन्सरर वुड लाइक टू हैव, राइट? अपार्ट फ्रॉम ब्रांडिंग तो एक है, बल्कि हर कोई चाहेगा कि मैं 5,000 की स्पॉन्सरशिप देता हूँ तो एटलीस्ट मेरा 10,000 का सेल हो जाए. एनीबडी, नथिंग रॉन्ग इन दैट. समबडी इज एक्सपेक्टिंग that is one of the condition many of the sponsor openly put कि चलो मैं आपको 50,000 देता हूँ, क्या आप मेरा इतना प्रोडक्ट बेच पाओगे? Even if such type of offers are there, you don't say no. You just keep on talking to them and pass on those lead to us so that we can bargain, we can negotiate. See, this is again art and skill, and this will come through practice only. Like पढ़े नहीं आने वाला. You somewhere down the line you have to go in field I am to say online ही करना है. You don't have to personally visit. I don't advise that. सब ऑनलाइन ही प्लेटफॉर्म है अपना. तो कई जगह जाना पड़ा तो ठीक है, आप जाके भी आ सकते हैं इंडिविजुअल 1-2 जगह, पर जहाँ तक है ऑनलाइन ही हो जाएगा. एंड दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव डन. इट्स नॉट न्यू. दैट फॉर्मूला हैज ऑलरेडी वर्कड, राइट? सो आई होप आई हैव बीन फॉलोड एवरीथिंग. यू फॉलोड एवरीथिंग व्हाट आई सेड. Okay, fine. So shall I end the meeting, Dr. Babulkar?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So what we'll be doing?
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for all of you to hearing to me. और रोज अपन 5-5 मिनट, आज तो थोड़ा लंबा चला मीटिंग because I have to explain everything from scratch. But रोज अपन 5 मिनट एक टाइम डिसाइड कर लेंगे in your break, hardly for 5 minutes just to get updates कि कहीं लीड मिला है क्या, कहीं प्रमोशंस मिले हैं क्या, with how many people you talk, right? तो ऐसे एक सिर्फ 5-10 मिनट का रोज अपने को मिलना पड़ेगा ऑनलाइन ही. ऑफलाइन कभी कुछ स्टूडेंट आते हैं तो नथिंग लाइक दैट. 1-to-1 डिस्कशन इज ऑलवेज बेटर, बट आइडियली ऐसे वी विल बी मीटिंग ऑनलाइन एवरी डे. व्हाट वुड बी द आइडियल टाइमिंग, डॉक्टर बाबुलकर? व्हेन इज द ब्रेक?
12-12:30 in between.
यस, एंड एनी टाइम. सी 12-10 अपन रख लेते हैं. नहीं सॉरी, 12-10 में एक्चुअली आई एम बिजी. 12-10 to 12:30 बोल रहे हैं ना? ठीक है ना?
That is the break time.
That is a break time. Now, and what time the lecture ends every day?
1:30.
So if I'm engaged, see, many times I'm busy from 12 to 1. So 1:30 would be ideal for me. Whenever I'm not busy, then I'll be posting a message that we'll meet by 12:10. And hardly for 5 to 10 minutes. Every day we have to meet. Because that will keep all of us updated and that will keep the momento alive, right? एक liveliness रहेगा ये अपने event में. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you all of you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And
Thank you,
take-
sir.
take-
Thank you. Thank you. So friend, very first you have to do what the things की जो लिंक है आपके फ्रेंड्स को शेयर करो, बाकी कॉलेजेस में भी शेयर करो, और जिसका जैसा रजिस्ट्रेशन आ जाए, that will help us to get approach to the sponsor. और साथ में कोई स्पॉन्सर होगा तो उनको भी अपन अप्रोच करेंगे. If any difficulty you found, you can directly contact with the Mukul sir or me or Aditi ma'am, don't hesitate to get solved your query. Huh? This be the part of our activity and trying to make this activity grand successful. Successful तो होगा ही, but अपने को grand successful करना है. Second year guys, you also have to work on this one. If anyone wanted to ask any question, so feel free to ask me. Or any other faculty member.
सी नाम सभी के इंक्लूड करने वाला हूँ. जो लोग मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज भेजेंगे, आई वांट जस्ट योर नेम, नॉट द मिडल नेम, योर नेम एंड मोबाइल नंबर. दैट इज ऑल आई वांट, राइट?
Yes.
आई एम गोइंग टू इंक्लूड, in fact I have tried to include everybody. Few are left back, as I said, and just now I posted the link in the chat. Just check it out. You can click it and you can save it, right? It's there on the WhatsApp group also, and try to share it along with the first page. मैं first page दे दूंगा आपको in PDF format so that they can click. In fact, you can just post the 3 pages which are there on the WhatsApp, right? It's there on our MIS group. ये 3 पेज और ये लिंक आप सबको भेजिए. For these 3 pages are there on our WhatsApp. Just a moment, I'll post those 2 things again, okay? तो वो आप शेयर कीजिए सबके साथ, okay? The posters of 3 pages which includes your name and the link for registration, okay? Fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Shreyas.
Thank you, sir, and thank you all guys for being a part of this team. And maybe as with the next intimation, we will meet you again. Okay? Maybe sir will announce the time at what time we will meet tomorrow. According to that, we will meet again and we will rediscuss on what the rest of the part has to go. Okay? Thank you guys. Have a great day.
Thank you, Hemant. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you, sir.